Look closely at the last 2,000 years, and you might notice something strange. Not ancient Egypt or Babylon, but history we should know best. The last few centuries. Countries appear before they existed. Events repeat with different dates. Documents contradict each other, as if someone copied, edited, and pasted them back into the timeline. Researchers call this alternative chronology. Some believe parts of our past were erased, duplicated, or rewritten. But why? Who would go through the trouble? And what could they be hiding? Imagine a catastrophe around the early 1800s, a cosmic impact, a flood of clay and soil covering entire cities. Basements became first floors. Doors and windows now led underground. Thousands of buried floors still exist today. And right after this disaster, there's a gap in our history. Roughly 18 missing years. Documents contradict each other. Alliances appear twice. Events repeat. Was history being patched over? While textbooks show a fractured Europe after Napoleon, the theory claims a hidden truth. A unified European empire existed, centered in St. Petersburg. Alexander I wasn't ruling Russia. He presided over a confederation spanning the continent. One empire, multiple rulers, one central power, until the flood and disaster shattered it. The world as we know it rose from its ruins. Out of the chaos, Britain emerged, not just with fleets or armies, but with ideas. Liberalism, democracy, republicanism. Revolutions across Europe were not random. Some believed they were coordinated, using the rubble of the old world to topple the remaining structures. Britain didn't just expand, it filled the power vacuum left by catastrophe. The old empire crumbled, and a new, ideological world was born. The catastrophe may not have been a single event. Comet fragments returned repeatedly, causing sudden fires and explosions across the globe. Chicago, Baltimore, San Francisco, destroyed. Yet Britain remained safe. Was it luck, geography, or something else? By the end of the century, the old empire was gone, and the new world, the red, white, and blue order, stood victorious. World War I wasn't just a war, it may have been the final erasure of the old aristocratic world. The Russian, German, and Austro-Hungarian empires collapsed. Britain and its allies